Hi, welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's vegan cream of carrot spicy soup. We're going to be using the Ninja Foodi. This soup is going to be made in just a matter of moments. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. To our Ninja Foodi we add our fresh green ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of vegetable stock powder, 1 large onion just cut into quarters, 1 kilo of carrots, 750 grams of water. Now we put the pressure cooker lid on our foodie and put the vent around to the pressure cooker function, and we're going to select pressure on high for 10 minutes and start. Okay, after 10 minutes we're just going to release the steam. Okay, now we just remove the lid. Be mindful that you send the steam away from your face. And this is what you should have. After only 10 minutes, our carrots are really soft now, as is our onion and garlic. We're going to add our 200 grams or 1/2 can of coconut cream here. Use the full fat variety for flavour. And with a stab blender, being careful not to damage the surface of your Ninja Foodi, we are going to blitz this. Just on low speed to start with. We want it nice and thick and creamy. Okay, after just 2 or 3 minutes of blending, you've got a nice thick rich soup, very cheap. This recipe makes 2 litres or 8 cups of soup, which is ample for 8 good sized serves. If you're having trouble getting your kids to eat vegetables, they're going to love this soup because it's nice and sweet and they can't really tell what it is, and the coconut gives us a lovely flavour as well. It's also very cheap. We bought a great big bag of juicing carrots, which was 6 kilos for about $3 or $4, and look how much soup that we've made with that, with a 1/2 can of coconut milk. It's a vegan recipe, so your vegetarian and vegan diners are going to be very happy with it. It's very healthy. Don't eat too much of it because you might end up going orange, but your eyesight may improve as well. And look what we've got there. A little taste, shall we? We're serving with some coriander and garlic naan bread. It's very hot, and the Ninja Foodi will keep it warm for as long as you like. You can taste the spice, you can taste the ginger. It's got quite a sweet flavour and it's incredibly healthy. Thanks for watching. Okay, just serve up our soup now. And we've got this little thing called a deco spoon, and we just get a spoonful of our coconut cream and make a little swirly pattern all around. Doesn't that look pretty? I hope you enjoyed our little budget-friendly vegan carrot soup. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We've got so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a fabulous day.